Hello everyone, welcome to day 4 of the Learning with Me Buddy series. Now we are moving forward from our previous session on the Hello World program to explore two important concepts in Python like identifiers and comments. These are basic and essential but elements that will help you write clean and understandable code. Okay, let's move into the video. I will explain first the identifiers. Okay, identifiers is nothing but a name in a Python program. What? A name in a Python program. The name can be anything. The name can be anything. Okay, like package name, module name, class name, variable name, method name, or function. The name can be anything. We need to write a program means basing the identifiers, we need to follow some naming convention. The naming conventions is nothing but, and we have some rules. And with the naming conventions, they have some advantages like we can understand the code easily and we can debug, and it is very in a readable way. Okay, for the naming conventions, we have some rules. Okay, the names can be either in lowercase or uppercase. That's not at all a matter. Okay, it's like a rule, and number starts from 0 to 9, and you can use the underscore symbol. Apart from the underscore symbol, if you use any other symbol means you'll get the syntax error, and we need and note the point. The fourth point I'm telling, like remember this point. The name should be either in lowercase or uppercase. Okay. The numbers we can use is 0 to 9, and we can use underscore. Okay. Like when you have multiple names means like student, like student ID. Like that means we can separate these for to understand easily. Means we can use the underscore symbol to separate student ID. Like that we can provide. And you should not use keywords. Should not use keywords as a name. Okay, it's not allowed to use. And we should not use numbers firstly, like 1, 2, 3 student, like that. Okay. Okay, now we will practice some examples and you'll get some idea on this. Okay. Examples means you'll get some idea. Okay. Okay, we will start the things. First, I'm going to create any student ID. Okay, is equals to 101. Okay, just I'm printing this thing, student ID. I'm just printing as is the number. Okay, this is the code. Okay, we will run this code in Colab. I will show the output. Disconnecting. Wait for few minutes. Yeah, we got the output right on that one, because here we use the rules like we can start the name as like uppercase or lowercase. Okay, and we separate it for our convenience with the underscore. Okay, I'll show one example, another example. 1, 2, 3 student underscore ID is equals to 202. Print of okay, we will run this and we'll see whether we'll get an error. Yes, we got the syntax error. We got the syntax error because I told you, right? I told you, right? We should not use numbers first like 1, 2, 3, like that, right? So we got the syntax error here. We should not use the numbers while creating firstly the name, okay, or identifier. And I'll show the another code, dollar symbol. Dollar symbol, student underscore ID is equals to 310. Like print of, I'm just copying for you convenient because it is also case sensitive. So you should print the same as t is okay. So got the errors. I told you, right? Apart from the underscores, you should not use any symbols. So that's fine. We got the error, like syntax error. I'll show another thing. If is equals to 101, print of is. Yeah, we got syntax error. I told you in the rules, like we should not use keywords as a name. Okay. So that's why we got the syntax error. You can someone tell like I use the small letter like that. But you can use it's not valid. Okay. I'll show you. Honest. Yeah, we got the output right. But it's not a valid way. It's not a good practice to do like this. Okay. So avoid the using of keywords names. Okay. Yeah, we got all the things. Just we printed by same as things like whatever the mentioned rules, we followed that rules and we created the name and we printed the same thing, student ID. So we got the output. Here the error is because of the decimal literal, like syntax error we got because we should not use the numbers firstly, okay? And we should not use the dollar symbol. Apart from the underscore symbol, we can't use any other symbol, okay? We can't use the keywords as a name. So that's why we got the error. And if you use like this, it is not a valid point. It's not valid, but you can use, okay? I hope you all understand the things, okay? And we'll move to the comments. Comments in either. Comments in Python. There are two types of comments in Python. How many types? Two types of comments in Python. Like single line comments. And second one is mul- multi-line comments. Okay. Firstly, we'll talk about single line comments. Line comments is nothing but like we use double quotes like that. Again, no, single line comments is used. Normally, comments are used to understand the code easily. So, single line comments, multi line comments are that in Python. Okay. Okay. Now we are going to talk about single line comments. Comments mainly using any language means to understand the code in an easy way. Okay. Single line comments in Python means we use the hash symbol for the single line comments. Okay, I'll show example. I'll show the examples for both the single line and multi-line comments in after explaining the two multi-line and single line comments. Okay. Multi-line comments can be used in Python when they have multiple like sentence. Uh, Take example as address, we multiple lines. So we'll use the multi-line comments in there. But normally in everything, mostly we are using single line comments only. Okay. These can be indicated by like we are using this hash symbol for the single line comments. And for the multi-line comments, we are using triple double quotes. Okay. Like this. We are using this. Okay. These are very simple things. If you know these things, we can understand easily. And when you are writing the program, you can easily grasp everything and you can easily code it. Okay, these are the basic things. I hope who are know Python, they are know everything. Okay, now let's move on to the examples for the single line comments and multiple line comments. Okay, starts with the single line comments. Don't consider my spelling mistakes. Okay. Here I printed as the apple and I'm telling that print is a predefined function. Okay. Like this, we can use the single line comments. I'm explaining this code. The print is a predefined function. Multi-line comments. Address. Take example as address of India. And next random weight and then Delhi. And then Gujarat. Gujarat. Okay. Mumbai. I'm typing these sentence of and I need to use the multi-line comments to commit all these address. Okay. So I'm using the multi-line comments. Can use multi-line comments. I use the same multi-line comments. I'll print address. We'll see whether we'll get output or not. I think I'm saying we won't get any output because we converted that the content in it comments, right? So we won't get any output. Like, it is not defined like indentation error. Okay, wait. We'll see. Yeah. Name. Address is not defined. Name and reward. Like we are not defining any address here. So because of we commented the port address by using the readable double quotes. Like we're using multi-line comments. Like this, we can comment by using the single line and multi-line comments. Okay. If you need these, okay, class note admins, I'll share it. I'll give the link in comment box. You can check it out if anyone want. Okay. The